my name is Anja Tjaart, and this is a demo of the last set project for CS50W2020. It's a Twitter-like social media site where you can make posts and so on. So I'm currently logged in as the user Yanni, and as you can see, all the posts are shown here, 10 of them. There's Pagination. You can click through or go to the last, or go to the first post. Each post shows the user who posted it, the date, and the post, as well as how many likes there are. At the top, the user can write a new post. And as you can see, it will immediately show here. So if you click on a user, you're taken to their profile page where you can see how many users are following them and how many they follow. I've left the new post form on all my pages just so that it's there quickly if you want to make a comment. So at the moment, if I go to following, there's no posts because this user isn't following anyone. So if I go back to all posts, sorry, there's a glitch with my internet. I can go to a user, say admin, and I can follow that user. And now you'll see if I unfollow, followed by one user, follow, followed by two users, and now if I go to following, I can see all admins' posts in reverse chronological order as well. I can like and unlike a post, scroll through, and then let's just go back to all the posts. Sorry, my internet's not so great here in South Africa. So say I want to edit this post, I click on edit and save. And I just want to show if I do that, I'll get an error message. The post cannot be empty because that wouldn't make sense. So as you can see, there's only an edit option available on posts that the current user has made, but for security, I've safeguarded all routes like that from being accessible if it's not allowed. So I tested all of that using unit tests. For example, editing someone else's post when you're logged in and following yourself and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for checking it out, and yeah, it's been fun. Cool, bye.